What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We appreciate you checking it out and clicking on this video. In today's video, we're going to finish up doing some powder coating on the Kink bike. We're going to finish doing the parts that we want to do Illusion Royal. Then we're going to start prepping the battery tray and the valve covers for the G23 build. Now, I know that we are not going to be using the F23 valve cover, but we just wanted to go ahead and get that powder coated. That way we can use it in pictures to show the work that we can do so we can drum up more business. We do have more car build videos coming up. Don't worry about that. We wanted to get some things going with the powder coating and get it all set up. In the next couple of videos, we will jump back into doing some stuff on the car. We found an H22 head that we're working on picking up. But first, we got to get the motor out. Before we do all that, we're going to finish up this powder coat. So remember, if at any point in time you like this video, please help us with the YouTube algorithm and help more people see it by giving it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, or anything that you want to say, please leave them down in the description below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do us a favor right now and click the subscribe button, and also click on the little notification bell. That way you get alerted every day when we upload new content. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah.
Battery mount first? The battery mount first?
No, I can finish the board.
Alright. Alright, so we're having issues with we don't know what type of sticker this is. Must be adhesive or something. Like a super strong adhesive. But we can't get it off with the sandblaster, so we're using this heat gun and a razor and hoping not to scratch the metal. But we're doing a good job so far. right, so the pieces just got to room temperature.
A couple of them did.
A couple of them did, not all of them.
Okay, we do have a little problem here where the wire is stuck to the top of the bolt.
That's all right, that's just the bolt. The bolts are gonna get messed up putting them on anyway, you know? Though they could. Depends on how tight we do it. Get good focus.
And that's not clumps, that's bent metal.
Yeah, that's bent metal. I did that. That was hard to take off.
So I put heat tape on here to go ahead and protect the threads. Perfect. Still got a good bottom on it too.
Yeah, and that part is going inside, so it don't even matter. We weren't trying to perfect that. Hell yeah.
Close that door, please. That little magnet. Thank you. Sorry.
That looks amazing. Sweet. Time to pop it in the oven.
Hold the thing out. Here.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant pull the pin out. There we go. All right, so
See, wait, no. Hold up, just.
5 minutes in.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Ooh. Ain't hit nothing. That works.
Dude, I see green in it. Purple, green, blue. When it's on a bigger piece, wow.
Yeah. I see, yeah, like, I see green. Oh yeah, look on the camera right now. You can see the green.
It's crazy, man. On that bigger piece, you see it a lot different.
Oh wow, dude, look at that.
It's like that chameleon, but
Yeah.
it's color changing for real.
Oh yeah.
So this is that Illusion Royal from Prismatic Powders.